So it's the ripples for me. My good girlfriend showed me how to do this. I watched Tay. I watched, Arrogant Tay. I watched Hair Diagram. And I watched Alonzo Arnold. And all of them cut the lace off before they even install the wigs. So that's what I did right here. I'm trying that wig on first. And then we're going to cut off all that extra foreskin right there. You see that shit right there? That needs to be circumcised. It gotta go. It gotta go. But I'm gonna show y'all how we do it. So boop, this is my glue that I use. It's waterproof. I don't use the usual glue that everybody else use. I like to use this because when he got that one hand on neck, the other hand on frontal, that shit ain't coming off. It's gonna stay right there. And when I put my full lace wigs on, y'all, I put them on from the back. That's right. I put them on from the back. The reason why you doing this is because all that extra lace in the front that's going to ripple up and wrinkle up, you want to cut that shit off. So that's why I got her leaning her head back so I can see where it's going and how it's doing. So anyway, you're going to place this wig on from the back and put it on in the front and go from the middle. And then start pressing it down on each side and pull it down. You want to get it nice and flat around that ear. You see what I'm doing? I'm pressing it. She's relaxed. She's feeling it. And look at that full lace wig. It's amazing. So after I cut off all that extra lace, I'm going to go in and plug some more. Because when I cut that lace off, I actually have to make a brand new hairline. This is what you do when you're doing wigs. You're not going to be lazy. You got to do that shit. You got to make that baby hair. You want it to be popping. And it's going to be popping. Look how I'm cutting it. And you about to see what it's going to do after that. Because I'm about to get to swooping and swirling. And I'm about to use that mousse and that gel. Boom. Look at her. Look at her. She look like Ronnie from the Players Club. But classy. Not the ratchet Ronnie, the cute one. You know what I'm saying? She fat. Look at it. Look at the baby hair. Look at the curl. She an island girl.